sé. Me la como entera, nadie se entera, con par de amigas.
Don't let no one, I don't care who they are, take your light away from you, because I went through that shit. I went through it far too long for me to like now regain the confidence. First off, always start off with concealer. My foundation routine is pretty much the same. The only thing that would change is my eyes. Oh, I hate this part of my skin. It's so bad. Like, oh, but I don't like wearing foundation because I feel like foundation just makes my face even heavier. I'm going in with Call Me Maple from Wet n Wild. The reason why I do this is because it kind of makes the lips a little plumper, like if you give it a dark shadow underneath here. And my mood is way up there. Like, ugh. I feel like, thank God I'm out of this little dark place that I was in. I just felt shitty the entire day. Like, maybe on the outside I look good, like I look normal or whatever, but inside I feel like I was drowning. Like, honestly, gym is such a freaking therapy. Like, it's a stress reliever to go sweat it, to just like let it all out. Like, so yeah, like I came back from my trip, I kind of got lazy, I didn't go to the gym, and I was starting to feel like really drained. Like, oh my god, I don't feel good, I feel like shit. Like, I was already feeling myself going in that little dark place again. And I was like, you know what, like, I'm lazy, but I'm gonna go to the gym. Thank God I did, because I felt so good afterwards. So if you guys feel drained, if you feel like a heavy weight on your shoulder, honestly, try something. Like, even if you don't want to go to the gym, try taking a walk to the park, down your block, walk your dog. Like, do something that involves you like physically moving, sweating, because I just feel like sweating is like letting it all out. I'm happy physically, mentally, I'm happy with my body, I'm happy with, I don't know, I just feel happy with everything. And it takes a lot of self-work, because this did not take overnight. Like, I had a lot, it took me it's a long roadway to self-work. Self-love is a long path. Like, it's a long way, but it's so worth it, honestly. And I'm not saying that once you find all that self-love, like, you're happy forever. But because obviously we're human beings with emotions, and we will go through dark places again. We will go through like stuff that, you know, like just stuff. Things are inevitable. Like, you can't freaking avoid certain things, and just learn to accept them. Like, when I'm feeling down, like, I used to be so hard on myself, like, oh, like I would just be so hard on myself. Now it's just like, Crystal, you're feeling down, you're feeling like shit. It's okay, baby girl. Like, it's okay. Like, just take time with your emotions, honestly. This is how I cover the redness. Like, it's not covered all the way, but since I don't wear foundation, I bake this area so that you won't see the redness. And take off the baking powder. By the way, I'm using Huda Beauty setting powder, translucent powder. No, it's not the translucent one. This is the banana one. My favorite spray. Something in me is telling me that I need a pink eye. Not like literally a pink eye, but like pink. So I'm gonna go in with this 35B from Morphe. It's kind of like a coral peachy. I'm just grabbing this shade and then Literally adding it all over my lids. Not going like too far out, just like a little bit above my crease. These ones. Oh. I don't know why I want to go in with pink. But pink it is, baby. These. Crazy. Once again, a dramatic makeup look. I'm living for it. I'm going in with Cork, my favorite liquid lip pencil. Of course, I'm just overdrawing my lips, only the bottom part. I love to draw the heck out of this because, you see, it just gives it that little shadow that makes your lips plump even more like. So use Cork from MAC. And then the top part, just the Cupid's bow, that's it. I don't usually go like down here and just leave it like that. I'm going in with NYX. This is Stockholm, my only ride or die, honestly. Why, you ask? Because it's like a subtle pink. Like, it's not too pink, but it's not too nude. Like, it's just perfect for me. They're just creamy, and like when you apply it and then it turns into matte, like I'll wait for this to dry and then I'll go in with another coat. So I'm gonna strain my hair and then I'll be right back. So I already strained my hair, but I want to show you guys how I do my hair on a daily. I love this hairspray because it doesn't cause flake, but it holds your hair. So this is where I part my hair. I honestly don't have a spot like where it's like specifically where it's meant to be parted, but like I just grab like this amount of hair, and then I grab this teasing comb. This is from Walmart. It comes in 2 sets and it's like, I believe, $5. So invest in a brush. So that I do this about 3 times to 3 sections of hair. Just keep teasing. Just keep teasing. And then on the third one, this one, I'll spray kind of like halfway down here. Because on this one, I actually want to tease all the way down here. And so it looks really bad like that, but I got you, boo. I won't let you down. I grabbed this little brush. This is actually from Sephora. Honestly, any brush will do, just to brush the top to make it look smooth and not like so bumpy. So there you go. So now you have like a kind of like nice voluminous hair, and this side is so flat. So that's how I do it. Sometimes I'll go back grabbing more sections. It just depends on my preference. On your preference. Oh, I'm scared I'll get my camera. So yeah, like I'll go back. But it honestly just all depends on you, how you want your hair. Sometimes I want it like hecka voluminous, and sometimes I'm like, nah, we good. So that's all I do. I'll do the same exact thing to the other side. So I'm going to spray my face one last time. My face is pretty ¿cómo se le dice? Kind of dewy. Oh, and this is how it turned out with like the powder and no foundation. Not so bad, to be honest. And I'm just gonna spray my face. Only the bottom part, because I don't want, like, if I spray it, then this will turn all dewy. And I don't want my eyeshadow to be dewy. I'm gonna go in with the Carly Bible palette, grabbing these two shades. And voila. Ugh. And that's pretty much everything. I still can't decide if I want my bangs in or out of my way, but I guess I'll decide once I have my entire outfit. Keep shining, boo. Like, literally keep shining. I know we've taken the word entitlement, like, and we've made it into something bad. You're entitled to be you, to be happy, to happiness, to all of these things. And don't let no one tell you like otherwise. Stop caring too much what people think about you, because it doesn't matter. People like you or not, cool. Life still goes on. I'm not gonna die. You don't like me. Life's too short. Life's too beautiful to give a fuck. I'm sorry, but I'ma say it. And it's not very ladylike to cuss. Someone commented on my video, like, it's not very ladylike, like, your mouth, watch that mouth. Like, yes, but this type of stuff pisses me off. Like, don't let no one, I don't care who they are, like, take your light away from you. Because I went through that shit. I went through it far too long for me to, like, now regain the confidence in me. Like, screw all this. And I actually do plan on making a self-love video. It's coming up, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, might as well, since you're at it already. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Bye.